Okay, so hi there everybody. In this next video in college algebra, we're still in the part of factoring, and here we're going to present how to solve or factor numbers in this special case of the sum of two cubes. Okay, so the sum of two cubes have this formula. If we have an a cube as the middle term, or as the first term, and we have a b cubed for the middle term, so we have this is the sum, okay, the sum, ignore the word, the sum of two cubes. So this is the first cube, this is the second cube. So I think you can see that literally, sum of two cubes. So what's the formula? First, actually what we need to do is just get the cube root of this first term, get the cube root of this middle second term, and then we can just follow the formula actually. So how is this going to be? So we have here as our a cubed, this is our a cubed, okay? A cubed is equal to 27 x cubed. Of course, in the actual tests, you will not be told that this is a cube or b cube, so you need to somehow master your your table of cubes. Okay, so this is a cubed and this is b cubed. So what we need, what our interest is, what is the a? So we need to get the cube root of each of these terms. What's the cube root of 27? That's 3. Cube root of x cubed is just x. How about the cube root of 8 8y, sorry, 8y cubed? Cube root of 8y cubed. So it's going to be cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of y cubed is y. Okay, and since we got already our value for a and our value for b, it's pretty much easy to follow this. Okay, so what is the answer here? So the answer is, put it in blue. The answer is, what's a? 3x. What's b? Plus 2y. And then follow this. What is a squared? So 3x squared is 9, or rather 3x being squared is 9x squared. I hope you're following. Copy the sign minus the operation. A times b, 3x times 2y is 6xy. And then for the last term, for the b squared, squared is 2y plus 4y squared. And this is our answer for number 1. Okay, pretty much easy. Okay, provided you know how to get the cube root. That's the only challenge here actually. Okay, so let's move on. We have here pretty much the opposite as you can see. So we have a, oh sorry, our a is equal to, or a cubed, our a cubed is equal to a 8a cubed, and our b is equal to 27b cubed. Okay, though you can see that they're just, the opposite, but hey, there's kind of different here that you're about to see. So what we have here, so we know that cube root of 8 is 2, and we have a as the variable. Cube root of 27 is 3, and b as the variable. And then what we're going to do is to follow the formula again. What's our a? 2a. What's our b? 3b. What's a squared? That's going to be 2a quantity squared is 4a squared, minus a times b is going to give us 6ab, and square this last term, that is 9b squared, and this is our answer for number 2. What's the difference from number 1? The only difference is the order. The 9x squared came here, the 4 came here, so they just got opposite um, stations for the first term and for the last term. Okay, so that's for the first two examples. You may take a screenshot or a picture if you want, or you can do it by yourself. For this example, maybe I can give you time. Maybe you can pause the video to answer this, and I'll get back with the solution. Go. Okay, so I think you have now the solution. So let's answer this. Our a cubed in this example is n cubed. Our a is simply n. Get the cube root of n cubed. Our b is 512. Now that's our b cubed. So this is quite challenging. That's why I said you need to master your table of the cubes. So what number, if we're going to cube that number, it will give us 512. So let's try. Let's try 7. 7, 7 squared is 49. So if we're going to multiply 49 by 7, that's the 7 cubes. So multiply this by 7, that's 28. And 9 times 7 is what? 63. That's going to give us 3, 4, 3. So pretty much not 512. So we need to go up one step above the integers and cubing. Let's try 8. 8. 8 squared is 64. And we're going to multiply 64 by 8. This is going to be 64 by 8. So 6 times 8 is going to be 48. And then 4 times 8 is going to give us what? 32. Then what we have is 4, 5, this is 11, 1, 2, and that, yeah, here we go. This is 512. So meaning, 512, if you're going to get the cube root of 512, it's going to give us 8. Okay, it's going to give us 8. And then, let's have this now. So this is our A, this is our B. Let's do and use the formula. So what we have is, we have n plus 8 for our this term. And then, n, square that, so n squared. Multiply this, minus, copy the sign or the operation. We have 8n, and then 8 squared is plus 64. And this is our answer. Okay? Now, for number 4, so we have our a cubed is 216, another big number, a cubed. Our b, is 125, b cubed. So we need to get the a, we need to get the b. So what's a? What number, if you're going to cube that, it's going to give us 216. So we know that 343 is for 7. So maybe let's go down one step before. So 6. 6 squared is 36. What about 6 cubed? So it will give us 36 by 6. This is going to, 18. 6 times 6 is 36. So give us 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6. And yeah, here's our answer. That's 6 cubed. Okay, that's 6 cubed, 216. So let's put that there. A is just 6, and then put the a, because cube root of a cube is a. So for the b, I think we know this as 5, okay, and then b. So we have our a value, we have our b value. We now then follow the formula. So by following the formula, it states that, so a, what's a? 6a plus 5b. So that's the first part, 6a plus 5b. And then we square the 6a. So 6 squared is 36. A squared, we also square the variable. Minus, multiply them. 6 times 5 is 30. That's going to give us minus 30ab. And then square this last term, which is 5 times 5 is 25. And then square also the variable. Sorry. Maybe you can give some space here. B plus 25b squared. And this is our answer for number 4. Okay, hopefully you got that right and you got how the sum of two cubes are being done. So let's have a throwback for number 1. You may take a picture if you want, or a screenshot, shall we say. For number 3 to 4, we have this. Okay, so that's it for our videos and the sum of two cubes. In the next video, we're going to talk about the difference of two cubes this time. Okay, so I hope you'll like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.